What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to change the background color on Photoshop. So here I have an image with a background and a person in the foreground. So first thing, I want to select the background. I can do so by many ways, but for this photo I think it's easier to go ahead and select the background directly. So I'll go ahead here and right click on the object selection tool to expand the other tools beneath it, and I'll choose the quick selection tool. And then all I have to do is increase the size. Let's go to the tab at the top here and increase the size a bit. Let's open size, then increase it. Okay, increase it again. Okay, that's good enough. Now let's click and drag on the background and it'll select the background based on the color. Okay, let's continue. Oops, it selected part of the foreground. Okay, so to deselect, let's hold down the Alt key and then drag on the foreground to deselect it. Okay, just like so. And then continue selecting the background. Okay, that's good enough. I want to deselect part of her hair. Okay, that's great. Now what you want to do is hit Ctrl J to duplicate and move the background to a new layer. And with this layer selected, you want to head and go to the adjustments and you want to choose hue and saturation. Okay, once you do so, make sure the adjustment layer is selected, hold Alt, then click in the part in between the two layers just to apply the selection to this layer only. Now, what you want to do is go to the hue slider and move it a bit. As you can see here, the background color changes. Now, let's say I like this color, so I'll leave it now as it is.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.